budget is $20.
No, it is not.
Oh, those are nice. Ah, those ain't too long. Show them.
Say.
And we be doing all kinds of stuff.
I'm getting that for my 15th birthday.
My friend wanted to go out too though. My friend Simpson. I had a whole lineup because I had a whole lineup. Now it's all messed up. You messed it up. Yeah, they did. You would have stood your booty in the house. Yeah. Yeah. It's gonna piss you off. Go ahead. Yeah, I know exactly what I ain't come last that night because I was still feeling very, very sick. And it would have took me an hour and I thought I was gonna miss you, but come to find out I wouldn't have even missed you. I would have came just in time. But I still send mommy some money that day. So she was good. Yeah, she's good. She should be fine.
Hello.
Hello.
I just wanted to ask.
Yes.
The lashes that you do,
Yeah.
I don't want fake ones. Do you extend them like the way they show? I don't even know what to call it.
We only use those. The one in the box.
No, I don't need fakes.
Okay.
The one you go to is the one on Simpson. Like you go on the boulevard.
You know what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah.
When they put that little thing and they
and
brush it.
yeah, that's all the way on Simpson.
No, I know where Simpson's at.
Yeah.
There's two nail places. There's the one next to the braiding place.
The one by the Dunkin' Donuts. On that side, yeah.
Is when you're going into Southern Boulevard?
Yes.
Is it next to the beauty supply?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Mom.
No problem.
Thank you.
No problem. They do fake good eyelashes here too, but over there they do the extension.
The single one.
Yeah, no, the extent like they put some gel over your eye and
Oh.
they make it longer. It's like mascara, but it's not.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Mhm. Yeah, babe. Who you about to call, mommy? All right. All right. doing it right after I'm finished. I should be finished by like 5:30. Yeah. Alright. Just let me know. I'll let you know. I wonder why I ever get short nails. Nah, they're not short at all.
Not even close to short. not even close to be short.
Yeah, it's not close to be short, no. She said, the nail lady said no, not even close to short.
Your nail, right?
Yeah. Back.
You're a mess. Totally a mess. You said, that's it. Just a cookie, sweet like that. What is that? You still on your shirt. Oh my God. Okay.
Okay.
You don't get no fancy. No, you need to get something with Thanksgiving coming. Don't, they not paying for nothing. I'm paying for it. I say something like orange and black. No, just something crisp, green.
This one, when is Thanksgiving?
Huh?
When is Thanksgiving?
The 24th?
24? Oh.
Yeah.
It's Halloween, Christmas, and Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas.
New Year. Yeah. Green and black. Oh, sorry. How much is the gel, Annie?
16.
Huh?
16.
What's that? Yeah. Yeah, now there's, yeah. What is gel? see both of them. Let's see how
Hold
much
on,
you
'cause I
charging.
think
Cause
I'm
you're
You
not
still putting a
going
white
over my
line
budget.
around it, though,
You're
right?
not going
Hmm?
over my
What's
The
budget.
white line still around
Yeah,
it.
yeah, 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 yeah.
$20.
Oh no, no, no.
You're not going over my budget. No, sir.
I said I'll pay you back.
You pay me back. You sure do.
Thanks, I pay you back for my grades.
Right.
Exactly. I got a 90, so my budget should be $40.
No, your budget is $20.
Mom, Mom.
You know,
Mom,
listen.
Look at me. You know the struggle I've been through with math, and I got a 90 in math.
And God, thank you. And thank
I
you.
got a 90. You thought I was fooling around. I
No.
was doing my work.
Okay, and you was doing your work. Thank you.
Hold on, because I'm about to
appreciate
get this.
But you still gotta have a roof over your head. Car and everything got to be paid.
You
Get
know,
out of
so
here.
I used to think my mom was playing with that until I started paying my own rent. It's not a joke. It's expensive.
See? That's
It's
the thing.
expensive. You
Nope.
will not be trying to hear that when you're young though. You like, I don't want to have that.
Nope.
But
And
it's
then I gotta
expensive.
have money to get to work with. Nah. You gotta have your little lounges here and there. I get a couple of dollars and stuff. Nah. And I'm being nice today because you passed your class with a 90.
Oh, that's so good.
Especially
No,
math.
mommy.
Is not math.
That's good.
Yes.
Over here. So that's
Thank
a good
you.
thing with the math. I appreciate that and I'm glad you studied. Still $20.
Stop playing. Why are you getting new to me?
I didn't get new because I like new because it matches my skin complexion.
Well, that's too bright.
This ain't too bright. This is just right for me. And this gonna last a while.
Are you doing your toes and your eyebrows today?
No, that's why you only getting
See?
$20. Annie, thank God you got a boy.
Tennessee.
You got a boy.
I have a question. All you do tomorrow is bring anything but a book bag, right?
Y'all got all this stuff going on in school.
And
I
I
ain't
told
never had all this
Mommy,
stuff.
Mommy, I
And
told
what?
my teacher, I said I'm bringing my little sister. He said, okay, make sure she don't play around too much. I said, Mister, she gonna ruin your whole. I
day.
told him she's gonna kill his animals.
Oh my
Every single one
God.
of them. She gonna try to take the turtle off the tank.
Take
She gonna
it.
try to touch the rabbit. The rabbit gonna wind up biting her.
Oh no, so you ain't taking her.
I warned him. He shall not pass.
What? Outside where?
This
Where?
is really cute.
What is he doing over here? Tell him to go home.
Thank you.
We did good today. Ooh, what's that? You got gel?
Yeah,
Why
this
would
time.
you do that?
Because it could last longer.
No, why would you do that? No wonder why you're budgeting $20.
I like these colors.
Oh my boy, I miss my
Tell him to
nails.
go home. Tell him to go home. He's just standing over here. For what?
He's not standing.
Where is he?
I'm singing.
No. No. Because that's you want us to get ready for school tomorrow. No, because ain't you got a project?
That's just a Friday.
Well, who?
My Friday. I don't got no Friday. I got people.
Only asses.
Huh?
Only one that I actually consider a real friend is Serenity. And her mother don't play that, so she ain't got no she ain't got no choice. Oh, I'm finished?
Yeah.
Oh. You better ask him what's the name. He does it good. Oh yeah, this is groovy. Groovy, man, groovy. Okay. Yeah. Let me see. Let me see the nail.
Yeah.
Ask her how much it costs. Because I'm telling you, Eddie, I'm letting you know now, her budget is $20.
No, it is not.
Oh, those are nice. Ah, those ain't too long. Show her.
Say,
And be doing all kinds of stuff.
hey.
I'm getting that for my 15th birthday.
That's nice.
Thank you. She does it really good for a good amount of price too.
Mm-hmm.
Because uptown is crazy.
It's, yeah,
And I live
definitely
in
is. Uptown, downtown, yeah.
I live in Upper West Side Manhattan. It's very expensive over there.
Dong. I love you very much, but don't move.
Yeah. Sorry.
It's okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, thank you.
What, that line? Oh, okay, that's what. I'm trying to figure out so we can play all together. You got to decide what you're going to do.
Yes, my love. Oop. Yep, like that, yeah.
Anna, you got an IG?